Hey everybody, Doug Reynolds here, your Sacramento area realtor. Today this is your real quick market update for the end of February, the beginning of March 2012. So we're going to real quick just go over the statistics that just came out for January 2012. A little bit what's common for a January. Typically at the end of the year people are trying to get sales done before the end of December, get things done before the end of the year. So a lot of sales get finished then, and then there's not a whole lot of buyers out there during December. So January sales are a little bit slower, so they did drop off. December had 1,668 sales, and January had a drop down to 1,289 sales. So a pretty big drop, but that's to be expected for just the way the month is. I would assume, and I believe that February moving forward is going to start having higher and higher sales volume as we start moving in away from the beginning of the year here. So expect in the months to come more and more sales. With that inventory actually went up a tiny bit, 1.8 months to 2 months. We've been talking about how low that is. 2 months is so low. A normal market's considered 6 months, and we've been down below that for a couple of years now almost. So we really would need a little bit more inventory. Hopefully this spring season is considered, the selling season. Hopefully more sellers will put their homes on the market and give a little more inventory because there's a lot of demand out there. The median price, even though there was a lot less sales, only dropped $1,000. So it went from $161,000 to $160,000. And I think this is actually a really good sign, in my opinion, is that for 12 consecutive months now, the median sales price in Sacramento area has stayed in the $160,000 price range. It's gone down, it's gone up, it's gone down, it's gone up. It's stayed in that range though. So we've found some consistency here with pretty much a kind of a flat showing. So I've said it before, I think, my opinion when we look back, I could be right, I could be wrong, I think the end of 2011, beginning of 2012, is going to be kind of the bottom of this market. I'm not expecting it to shoot back up, but I think it's just going to bounce around here for 2012 and slowly kind of start on the uptick near the end of the year, maybe beginning 2013. Start seeing maybe a little appreciation. We don't want a ton though, to be honest. So back to inventories real quick. I was thinking about this the other day. I don't think I've written an offer on a house for a buyer in probably the last 4 months where there has not been multiple offers on the property. That's just showing how much competition there is out there for buyers right now. I've got a video coming up soon that's talking about actually why isn't your offer getting accepted, and I'm sharing maybe some tips that can kind of help you tweak your offers a little bit to really be able to make them present the best way when you're up against other offers out there. So real quick, interest rates are phenomenal still. They're down in the 3s. A lot of buyers are taking lender credits. They're taking a tiny bit higher interest rate, and they're actually getting like 1.5 points for their closing costs. It's amazing what's going on with interest rates right now, and that's able to help your offer so you don't have to ask for that seller credit. So interest rates are just so low still right now. That's working together with what's creating the demand for all the properties. So anyways, that's your real quick update for the end of February, beginning of March 2012. Feel free to connect with me, subscribe to my YouTube channel page. You can be the first to see my new videos as they come out, and connect with me on my Facebook, Doug Reynolds Real Estate Facebook page, and also follow my blogger. I've got a great blog on blogger.com of just tons of information almost every single day, really. It's a good thing to follow what's going on in the market out here too. So connect with me all those ways. Feel free to call or email anytime if you got any questions. Check out my website, sellwithdoug.com, and look forward to hearing from you and talking with you buyers and sellers out there, and clear skies.